Hi, this is a continuation of my previous videos of installing that VMware Workstation of VMware ESXi. See, I just did with just browse that exe file which located, which is in my case which was located here. I just open it here. It will loaded. Once you load it, you can see the status VMware ESXi5 was detected. That means you was loaded successfully, upload successfully. Then you need to store next, and then you can specify the name if you want. I will put this ESXi5.1 for then next. Here it's minimum for installing ESXi it recommended 40 GB. It's fine, more than enough, and you can store the file as single file. Next, here you can see the specification of the name and workstation, what is on disk and the CPU summary. We can change it also by using this customize hardware. You can put minimum recommend of GPs 2 GB is enough, but for efficient work you can choose that 4 GB. Once this 4 GB was done, the process will be 2 and everything's fine. The network is not good. USB, if you want to connect any USB, this will be detected in whichever machines you can enable these things, and everything is good, fine. This is one more important thing. You need to uncheck these things. You need to ensure that it should be enabled for virtualization. Intel VT should be enabled. Then only your VMware should be support. And then just click finish. Once it's finished, you can see that start loading of your virtual machine is starting. You can see this is installation procedures. Once again, installation is started. You can see here your see here you can see that your memory configuration and your hardware is in one, depends on what you are using. In my case it was a 20 Intel hardware configuration, and now my memory is showing. So you just keep it calm and watching. It will be quite going on install by itself automatically. Yeah, you just enter and start continue. You need to accept the license by hitting F11. It's take for scanning that devices or should be matched for those things. Here you can see that VMware your hard disk capacity is in 40 GB which you allocated earlier, so looking good, going well. Just by hitting enter and start continue. You choose your language for your use. In my case I choose an US default, and then you can specify the password for that for your security sessions, and then hit continue. That's mean you can hit enter. The password doesn't match, so shit. Yeah, going well. Scanning for system for its informations, quite well going. By hitting F11 to start install. Yeah, all going well. Installation was started. See, once it reach under your installation completed, then it asks for, it's saying the status called has been successfully installed. Then you need to reboot your server. For that, just hit enter to reboot. It will shut down and reboot. It will take a few minutes, and then you are successfully installed the EXXi and you can use it. Okay. See, again it loading the necessary files here. Once it completed, you can success of installation of ESXi5.1 on workstations. See, one more. Yeah, once you reboot up and finally you can see this page without your auto configuration, memory configuration now, and then see at the bottom of here, this is the IP address was enabled for you. See, actually it was in a status of DHCP. If you want to make it as a static, then hit F2 and provide default your login name as root and provide your password which while you install, and click enter. OK, again and F2. This is a page you get from here. Configure something and IP configuration. You can use this set static IP for this. Just click enter, then it was done. And it exit. Once now you shut down, reshut, it will be make it as change as static. If you want, you can change your name as something like as this. Okay, cool. If you want to set this static IP, you just hit the space button on keyboard, then click enter, it be done. And finally everything goes well, then click exit, escape button, apply changes. You have to press a key as yes. All done. Okay, see, now it will be status as statics. Good, that's all. I hope you understand. Let's waiting for my next sessions on about how to manage this ESXi. Thank you very much for seeing this. If you like my exposing, please like me from you can see more things on my website. This is my website. If you have any doubt, just mail to me related to these things. I will help you out. Thank you very much for seeing this. Bye, see you next time.